Parisha Tyagi joins in with the very latest on the story. Parisha, tell us more.
Yes, the Department of Telecommunication has now officially approved the much-awaited Vodafone-Idea merger, and the two companies are set to become Vodafone-Idea Limited, which is being seen as the largest telecom operator in the country now, and it will surpass Bharti Airtel as the largest telecom network with a user base of around 37.4%. Remember, the two companies had paid their dues on Monday. They had agreed to be a merged entity last year, but since then there have been a lot of struggle because DoT had asked for a payment of nearly 7,000 crore for spectrum fees and bank securities, which the two companies were initially reluctant to pay, and there were also speculations that they may even move court, but finally they decided to pay their dues on Monday, and since then everybody has been waiting for DoT approval, but now we have from sources that the approval notice has been sent to the companies, and yes, Vodafone-Idea Limited is now going to be the next largest telecom operator.
Everything get done, as in when will they start reporting combined book?
That I think it will be done immediately because there is no other formality which needs to be done. They have also gotten approval from NCLT, so I think it will come into effect immediately.
Parisha, you know, this is like we were earlier highlighting as well. This is an assumption or foregone conclusion that the market is already absorbed in, which is why you're not seeing a huge spike up coming in. You know, markets already know that this merger is going to happen and this was just a matter of time. What's next? What is the combined subscriber base that we're looking at now that the DoT as well has given its final go-ahead to Idea Vodafone?
The combined subscriber base we are looking at is nearly 400 million users, and since you asked what's next, so it's also, again, this is another speculation, but it's being speculated that the merged entity Vodafone and Idea will try to attract more users and give a competition to Reliance Jio by offering even cheaper internet and free voice calls and offering lucrative deals, because these two companies were hurt the most when Reliance Jio came in and it started offering those freebies. So what we are looking ahead, or what we expect next, is a price war in the country and also a better service, a better network coverage for users, as the spectrum of both these companies will be combined now, and a better revenue for these companies.
Parisha, thank you for that update. That's an ET Now exclusive. In principle, the Vodafone-Idea merger has been approved. Now, from a market standpoint, it was a matter of just time, and this deal had to go through. One. Now, what changes? What changes is that when markets know that Idea is a voice-based dominated company, markets also know that Vodafone will get the global expertise at play. But when the synergies would really be at play, will markets get their assumptions right? That is what I think would be the variable factor now. Meanwhile,